I think that this is the sentiment amongst all of the XRP army right now. So it begins. Because today, we just had the most significant weekly candle close, I think, in the history of XRP. We're going to look at that. I'm sure you've been keeping up with what's been going on, right? XRP moved up to around 66 cents this morning. Again, we're still talking about pennies and not dollars. So there's nothing to get too excited about. But there is something in the chart that would indicate this close is setting us free and the price should continue from here. So if you missed it this morning, I actually did a live stream. When I rolled out of bed, I saw that the price was kind of pumping a bit, moving up. And I was just like, I don't know. I felt called. Like my intuition, the Holy Spirit, something called me, right? And I just hopped on a live stream. And it was an amazing live stream. Thank you all so much if you stopped in. We had about 1,400 people during the live stream in total come through. Peak concurrent viewers of around 129. So there was like over 100 people watching live almost the whole time. It was about a 2-hour live stream. So it was super awesome to sit there with you guys, watch the price. Unfortunately, when I started streaming, I did the Alex Cobb curse, and price did not continue pumping. It just kind of started bleeding down a little bit. But it was a fun live stream nonetheless. On top of that, during the live stream, we did hit 2,000 subscribers officially. So thank you all so much. I'm going to maybe think if there's a little 2,000 subscriber special we can do for that little milestone. I'm really looking forward more to that 5 or 10,000 mark. But thank you guys. I really appreciate all the support. If you're new here, hit subscribe. But let's get into it, right? This was our candle close on XRP. Right here, we closed at around 64.2 cents. And looking here, right, on the weekly chart, we have clearly broken this downtrend line, this downtrending resistance from back here in April of 2021. Touch there, touch here, touch here, touch here. And now we have absolutely broken out of that. We have set the highest weekly candle close of the entire year. And the only candle closes since the bear market that have beat us out are these ones after that big pump to $1 off the non-security news, and then a couple closes over here. But we are showing such an unbelievable amount of strength. Tomorrow we have the monthly close, and this looks even more beautiful, right? If we close here, this will be the highest monthly candle close since the non-security ruling back in July. And again, breaking this major downtrending resistance line. So if we go back to the daily time frame, I have an interesting fractal here that I've been showing the past few days, right? And it's very crazy how it's been playing out. So I've had it lined up like this, showing this liquidation, a little another touchdown. We push up, consolidate, and then I was saying the next daily candle, I said it right here, the next daily candle would suggest we start moving up. Sure enough, we start moving up. And we hit this upper range today at around 66.5, 67 cents. And now it would say, okay, for the next day or 2 or 3, we consolidate before we continue our push out of here, which would make sense because we're at a significant resistance level, which we'll look at as well. But then we would continue, and by the end of the week, we would be seeing $1 per XRP. And then we'd really know it's game time, right? And then you can obviously see how much higher this thing ends up going. I wouldn't expect the fractal to play out 1-to-1, but I think it is a decent indicator of what could possibly be coming. Here, if we go over to my other chart, right, I labeled it right here. This level that we're in right now, 63 to like 66, 67 cents. This is the gate to Valhalla. If we can close a weekly candle above this level, then it's completely go time. I already think it's go time, but that would just farther confirm it. And then really just taking out these 75-cent highs. These are the levels I'm looking at of significance at this point. We break through these and we're clear skies ahead. We're going on the all-time high run for sure. So Bitcoin teetering about still. It had a little bit of a pullback here. So everything just kind of pulled back a bit this past hour or so, but it looks like that pullback's getting eaten up. So looking good. Hopefully this continues as well and sends the rest of the market with it. But let's get over to some tweets. I don't want this video to be 15-20 minutes long. I could ramble about this forever because this is a very exciting time we're in here. So hopefully by tomorrow morning we're going to see this thing going even farther. Here from Alex Cobb showing the green light up. Dude, Alex Cobb was losing his mind today, going crazy with all of this. So funny to see. But yeah, he was live streaming a bunch too. But of course it didn't go up while he was streaming. Here from Blockchain Backer, look, it isn't much to celebrate, but we'll take anything we can get at this point. XRP has its highest weekly close of 2024, also above the 702 retrace of our March to September range. So great sign there, right? Here from Credible, commenting on the open interest here in our range. He said we're now testing the upper bound of our open interest range for the 6th time. Eventually this pattern will break, and when it does, it'll probably be because we've started trending to the upside based on this context. So we'll have to see if we can break through at that open interest, or if we do need to cool off and liquidate some of these longs out of the market. But things are looking good. A lot of the hype that has been going on has been driven by RLUSD. They've been minting a lot of this at the RLUSD treasury, like their stable coin. So people are expecting this to launch like probably this week or next week. And that's hopefully going to bring a lot of liquidity into the XRP ledger, right? We talked about this a lot on the live stream. So hopefully this goes live this week, and I think that can continue to send things parabolic, on top of waiting so that hopefully, right, the SEC will not appeal by October 7th and XRP can full send. Regulation around this time, 7-year triangle breakout. This is it, folks. You either get it or miss it. And yeah, we've been saying the same thing. This is a hater right here, right? Will object, clown face. And we had a couple of these hop in the live stream as well. Some people that hopped in just to hate on XRP. I'm like, why are you going out of your way to find a live stream just to hate on XRP? Like, nobody's making you buy it or hold it. If you think it's going to do nothing, why does it bother you so much that other people are invested in it and have done research on it and understand what it's going to do and believe in it? It's just so strange to me, right? So interesting. Here, Alex Cobb, Zach Rector. As long as we can stop Cobb from streaming, the pump should continue. Very funny. Here from Liz. Above box is only up for this coin. So saying he's showing the same thing, right? Breakout here, looking for higher. Alt Street Bet says in the last 4 years, I have a 100% hit rate with XRP breakout. And he is showing that he thinks we are about to head to $1. And I agree. That would have confluence with the other chart I just showed you, right? Mikey Bull, XRP is breaking out of the 3-year triangle pattern. You know what this means. Explosive rally incoming. Yep, and it is looking good for sure. Crypto Insight UK. XRP OI is still high. Funding is still green. Again, these aren't the best signs. However, huge spot buying supporting each breakout candle. This is lovely to see. Potentially getting squeezy soon. At what price do haters start buying? Serious question. So he's saying he doesn't really know. We could get a pullback to flush some of these people out, but the rally is looking strong in other aspects as well. From Dom, XRP update. Price has been strong throughout the weekend. We're attempting to grind through 63 to 65 cent range now. I believe a full break and flip of this level of support is the last large zone holding XRP back. So once we break, this zone here, right, that I have marked off basically, nothing really holding us back anymore at that point. Blockchain Backer, time to see if things intensify, showing the safety trade dominance. So Bitcoin, ETH, and stablecoins breaking down here, probably going to head lower and kick off alt season. Crypto Tank, once RLUSD is live, the AMM token pair will grow rapidly. This is the deep liquidity that banks and financial institutions will tap into to transact. Trillions will come onto Ledger very fast, which will cause rapid spikes in XRP price. The Rails plumbing is in place and ready. So who knows how fast this will happen, but I do agree that a lot of this is probably what's coming. From Zoom, we've been waiting for this moment for 7 whole years. The breakout has taken place. The XRP bull run is here. And this guy's funny. Goes up nickel, the bull run is here. And then he said, yeah, it's not about this pump. It's about the breakout, because this pump is still very underwhelming. I think this pump, when we look back, this pump's like nothing compared to what I'm expecting to be coming. So finally here from Crypto Insight UK, the XRP army right now. All right. you start seeing the results, but you must stay focused. I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't know if it's copyright. But yeah, so we see it moving, but we got to stay focused because we're not there yet. This is just the beginning, but it's a very encouraging sign to see this breakout today. And hopefully our monthly candle tomorrow can close even higher. And I think things look really, really good for October and for Q4 of this year. So hope you guys enjoyed. Keep an eye out for my live streams. If you see the price pumping like crazy, check my page. I might be live. I'm going to try to go live whenever I see things heating up and getting wild. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace.